Is your iPhone notification sound super quiet, especially when you get text messages? You're barely able to hear it, or maybe it's completely silent and you can't hear it at all. I'm going to walk you through a number of easy fixes, but also a setting that you probably don't know about that is most likely lowering or reducing the volume of that notification. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Messages app here. And the first thing we want to check to see is if you silenced a conversation. So if you swipe to the left and tap on the bell with the line through it, you can see it has a little bell with a line indicating you've muted that conversation. Even if they text you, it will not ding or notify you and there won't be any sound. So let's just make sure that's not the issue. If it is, swipe to the left and then just tap on the bell. Now the next thing we're going to do is hop out of here and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. The first thing we're going to check on here is make sure you don't have silent mode turned on. If that is turned on, you won't be able to hear anything because it's silence all notifications, all ringing, when you get a call, when you get a text, etc. Make sure you turn that off. But you also want to turn on ringtones and alerts. Now keep in mind, if you swipe down from the top right, this volume slider right here is just for things like YouTube videos or music. It's essentially media that you play on your iPhone. However, the volume slider for ringtones and notifications and text alerts is this slider. So make sure that one is turned all the way up. Now we've taken care of the most likely culprits, but let's go into a setting in here that you probably didn't know about. So tap the back arrow, and from here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter in the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone, and then scroll down again. You're going to look for attention-aware features. And it says iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding notifications, or lowering the volume of some alerts, aka lowering the volume of notifications, especially when you get text messages or calls. So essentially, your iPhone will check to see if you are nearby, and if it does, even if your iPhone is on a table near you, and it checks to see if you are nearby using the camera, if you are nearby, it will reduce the volume of that notification. All you need to do to prevent that is just toggle that feature off and you are good to go. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.